How to manage Snapchat notification settings on Android? This tutorial shows you how to customize which notifications you receive from Snapchat. First, open Snapchat on your Android device. Tap on your profile icon at the top left. From there, tap on the settings icon at the top right. At this point, scroll down and tap on notifications. From there, you will see a full list of notification types that Snapchat can send you. After that, go through each category and toggle on or off based on what you want to receive. In the next step, for example, you can toggle off story notifications if you do not want alerts when friends post a story, but keep chat notifications on so you still get messaged. From there, scroll through all the available options, including snaps, chats, stories, live, and friend suggestions, and customize each one to your preference. Once done, go back and test by having someone send you a snap or message to confirm the notification settings are working as expected. Following this, if you want to manage Snapchat notifications at the system level, go to your Android settings and tap on Apps. From there, search for Snapchat and tap on it to open the app info page. At this point, tap on Notifications to see all the notification categories Snapchat uses on your device. From here, toggle off any categories you do not want and leave the ones you do want enabled. Finally, go back to Snapchat and confirm your notification preferences are saved and working correctly. And that's it! If this guide helped you manage your Snapchat notification settings, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one!